video yan.
I started residency training in Hospital Maynila, Department of Surgery in 2003, under the leadership of our esteemed Chairman, Dr. Reynaldo Hassan. A structured training program integrated with tangible core values had already been launched a year before. The basic frameworks of our training includes these different processes: patient management, operation surgery, problem-based and self-directed learning, physician as a teacher, physician as a researcher, physician as a manager, and community surgical health management processes. Within the 5 years' time, we took to finish my residency course in this institution. I am proud to announce that the vision and the plan that has been the backbone of our department works. We are currently practicing the art of choosing the most cost-effective diagnostic and treatment options for our patients in the hopes of producing the same results as with any high-tech procedures. I used to have the mentality that the number of surgical procedures, we now emphasize the importance of consultant assist in performing operations. The problem-based and self-directed learning processes formulates an intensive, working, and clear-cut strategy for identifying and treating specific medical problems. This has assisted trainees in focusing on immediate and pertinent presentation of a particular case, condition, or malady, thus facilitating easy diagnosis and prompt treatment. It is a continuous learning process wherein re-evaluation and revision of set guidelines to meet the evolving status of the medical surgical curriculum. In our training ground, research is an annual experience. This fosters knowledge, learning from actual experience, experimental processes that confers ideas and ideas for proper patient management. The department has been
saying goodbye to this institution after 7 years of staying here. I am with mixed emotions. Mula nung clerk, intern, and then 5 years of residency, I've learned so much in this institution, and especially in this department. Much of my armamentarium in diagnosing and treating patients, I learned while in the Department of Surgery, and I thank all the consultants, and especially the chairman, Dr. Reynaldo Hassan, for teaching us how to effectively manage patients, surgical or otherwise. So I thank you again, all you, even the medical clerks and the medical interns, for making my stay here in Hospital Maynila a very fruitful and